Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyah Lestari. I am from English Education Department Class B 2023. So here I would like to explain the fact, opinion, and bias based two videos that I have analysis. Video 1. The first fact is wine generates a significant amount of kinetic energy daily. The reason is the text mentions that the wine generates around 35 times more energy than humanity uses daily. This is a quantitative statement that can be measured or estimated based on scientific research. The second fact is when wind energy is renewable and replenished daily. The reason is unlike fossil fuels, wind energy is indeed renewable and naturally replenished, making this a factual comparison based on the properties of wind and fossil fuels. The first opinion is wind energy could potentially solve our energy problems. The reason is, while optimistic, this is speculative as it depends on many variables, including technological, economic, and infrastructural challenges, which are still being addressed. The second opinion is wind turbines disrupt natural scenery. The reason is this is a subjective opinion, perception of scenery disruption, whereas some may find turbines aesthetically pleasing or emblematic of green energy, while others may view them as an issue. The first bias is portrayal of wind energy as a clean and flawless alternative to fossil fuels. The reason is, although wind energy is renewable, the text implies minimal drawbacks. Engineering issues like the carbon footprint of manufacturing turbines or ecological impacts, indicating a bias toward promoting wind over other forms. The next analyzing video 2. Analysis video 2. The first fact is every day over 8 million people ride the extensive public rail system. The reason is Tokyo's subway ridership statistics are available and based on regular transportation data collection. The second fact is Professor of Technology at the University of Cambridge, Michael Clee, conservatively estimates that all of the UK switch over to electric vehicles, they would need just under twice the annual production of cobalt. The reason is this statement is grounded in a credible expert's assessment and scientific estimates of material requirements. The first opinion is most often the answer to this question is free, electrified, and most importantly, extensive public transportation system. The reason is, while many argue for the environmental benefits of public transit, the statement reflects a preferred approach rather than an objective fact. The next opinion is we need to envision cities and towns that are built around people, not cars. The reason is this reflects the outdoors perspective on urban planning and the preference for pedestrian-friendly infrastructure over car-oriented design. The first bias is electric cars embody imperialist relationships. The reason is the term imperialist assumes a negative global relationship inherent to if production and could influence the reader to view if supply chains negatively. The second bias is a worldwide cities that look a lot more like Wakanda than LA. The reason is this implies a preference for the idealist image of Wakanda, which may romanticize one form of urban development without fully acknowledging real-world challenges. So that is my explanation.